Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are exploring the best Friendship Day gift for her available on Amazon. The Best Friend Birthday Gifts Cutting Board by MY-ALVVAYS. This unique and heartfelt gift is designed specifically to celebrate friendship with a practical and beautiful kitchen accessory that any friend will cherish. Made from high-quality bamboo, this cutting board combines both durability and elegance. The bamboo material has been polished multiple times to create a smooth surface with rounded edges, making it safe and comfortable to handle. The board is resistant to stains and moisture, which helps it maintain its quality even after regular use. The natural wood grain on each cutting board is unique, adding a personalized touch to this thoughtful gift. One of the highlights of this cutting board is the warm and special message printed on it. The printing uses high-quality ink, ensuring that the words remain clear and vibrant over time. Every time your friend uses this cutting board, she will be reminded of the appreciation and love behind the gift. It's perfect for sharing good memories and celebrating the bond you both share. Measuring approximately 11.3 inches long, 7.5 inches wide, and just under half an inch thick, this board is compact yet functional. Its rectangular shape makes it versatile for various kitchen tasks like chopping fruits, vegetables, or cheese. It can also be used creatively as a serving board for snacks or appetizers, adding a touch of charm to any meal or gathering. Another thoughtful feature is the rounded handle, designed for comfortable gripping and easy hanging storage. This not only saves kitchen space but also turns the board into a decorative piece when hung up, enhancing any kitchen's aesthetic. This cutting board is recommended to be hand-washed only to preserve its finish and ensure longevity. The food-safe oils used to finish the board protect the surface and add to its natural appeal. Perfect for birthdays, Friendship Day, Christmas, Mother's Day, or just to say thank you to a best friend, this cutting board is more than just a kitchen tool. It's a meaningful keepsake that celebrates friendship in a practical yet beautiful way. So, if you are looking for a gift that stands out with both functionality and sentimental value, the MY-ALVVAYS Best Friend Cutting Board is a fantastic choice. It combines craftsmanship, thoughtful design, and heartfelt messaging, making it a perfect token of appreciation for that special woman in your life. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and gift ideas. See you in the next video.